we have been seeing in our classes. Has a unique feature in it, in the sense that the aspects that we want to cover in this course are quite large, and in addition to that, we are not only interested in okay, we call it one, as I said, the problem with information systems is that the number of issues that should be discussed is quite vast. We have said that the information system typically should contain 5 components. And discussing each component typically will take one entire semester. Example, databases. What is that we are not interested in databases is a question. We are interested in everything about database. Database is just a name. We are actually interested in every technology which will help us in storing data. So what are we supposed to learn? Typically starting with small amount of information regarding where data is stored in a program to complex ideas of cloud computing, we can discuss anything under this banner. Take any issue. This is a problem. Take networks. How much should we discuss? Connecting 2 machines? Today that's not the idea of networking. We are not limiting our discussions to computers. We are saying that we should be able to connect any 2 devices. The whole meaning changes. So what should we discuss and what not to discuss is the basic question. The issue becomes more complex when we take topics such as software. What is software and what software is not? So, one problem with information system discussion is that the scope of the subject is quite huge. One. Let me tell you one more problem. No 2 problems in this world, I mean business problems, are same. Our basic intention in this course is that at the end of the course, you should be able to propose a solution to the problem. Speaking very traditionally, there are 2 issues which I am talking about here. One, about the nature of solution itself. We are training you very hard to solve a problem, assuming that the problem is known. For example, if we give the question such as, what are the 5 components of information system? All of you will answer it in a very competitive manner. The problem is, in most of the real world scenario, the problem statement will not be very clear. Formulating the problem is the first challenge. What should you solve? It is not simply solving a mathematical equation like x plus y is equal to z, where x is known, z is known, you have to calculate y. Traditionally what we teach students is solving an unknown entity using the known entities. That is what you are all trained with. For example, if you say, write a program to apply binary sort for integers, you will write the program. But that is not the point, as I keep on repeating. The point is to know where and how to apply binary sort. Bubble sort or whatever. Bubble sort, binary search, bubble sort. To identify the problem and knowing how to apply a known solution is a challenge. So your first problem is you don't know how to identify a problem. That's what I have understood. Identifying a problem and formulating the exact problem statement is the first challenge. What is the second challenge? Second challenge is proposing a solution. In the sense, every problem, if you consider a problem in a college, which most of you are considering, or consider a problem in the hospitality industry, healthcare industry, logistics, the domains are very much unique. When you go to the industry next 1.5 years, you will be repeatedly asked to gain expertise in a domain. Banking domain, finance domain, insurance domain. You will be asked to be experts in a domain. Unfortunately, the problem in conducting a course like this is, we are burdened with teaching the basics of all domains, which is impossible. We are often asked to propose generic solutions. Unfortunately, in real world, generic solutions don't work. So, I am facing three problems. One, exhaustive topics to be covered. Second, problem with formulating a problem. Third, proposing a generic solution. Keeping in mind these three challenges that I have to encounter in this course, I have decided that in today's lecture, I will take two problems upon your request, whatever it is, and solve it on an end-to-end basis.